Welcome to our guide on how to unmute notifications from people you don't follow on Twitter. Follow these simple steps to manage your notification settings effectively. Begin by opening the X app on your Android device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture located at the top left corner of the screen. This will lead you to your account settings. Next, navigate to the Setting and Support option and tap on it. From there, select Settings and Privacy to access additional customization options for your account. In the Privacy and Safety section, find and tap on Notification. This will take you to the notification settings, where you can control the alerts you receive. Within the notification settings, locate and tap on Filters. Here, you can manage specific filters for your notifications. Find and select Muted Notifications to adjust your muted notification preferences. To unmute notifications from people you don't follow, look for the option You Don't Know under Muted Notifications. Simply unmark this option to allow notifications from users you don't follow. Congratulations! You have successfully unmuted notifications from people you don't follow on Twitter. Stay connected with a wider network of users and receive all the updates you want. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Stay tuned for more useful tips and tricks to enhance your Twitter experience.